Hi guys, welcome to Carli. This is a new look of Carli. We've made some decisions, we added some packages, and the last ISO that's now online has also this beautiful SDDM theme from Simplicity GitLab. Topic of this video is a what if that I told in one of the videos. Well, first off, maybe tell you that we're not gonna change the kernel. So Ctrl-Alt-T, we're not gonna change the kernel, which is uname -a, because I don't think that is neofetch or something like that is not installed yet, right? That's less, that's more. Okay, so Ctrl-Shift+. Now the videos about if you would like to change this particular setup of Carli 12 to LTS Zen hardened, right? There's also the RT to these days and RT LTS. Then you can find these tutorials, well, first off inside videos of ArcoLinux B, but also in ALCI. So it's already explained like 6 or 7 times. Right, all you have to do is watch these videos, because here we have all of them: Linux, Linux LTS, Zen, and explain to you how you create a different distro, well, different ISO with a different kernel. So it's in here. It's also in the ArcoLinux B, because we've created the XS LTS and the XS Zen and the XS Zen mod. So I mean, it's documented, so it doesn't really it's not interesting for me, right? Because it's already documented. Now the what if that I still have is Linux Mint. We are making a cinnamon. Can we make a cinnamon that looks more like Linux Mint? What we have on our machines, which is easy and interesting to know, is we have something called get nemesis on Carli, get nemesis on ALCI, get nemesis on ArcoLinux. And even if you install the ArcoLinux tweak tool, there is a script that says get nemesis on ATT, ArcoLinux tweak tool. It's a little thing, and it could be a start for you to start with scripting. Say, okay, you get this folder data, and in the folder data there's a lot of scripts. And anything you would probably think of scripting, there's a way how to do that, right? So I could run my number 0, and then it will go through all the choices, and it will know that it's in Carli. And it's super easy if you can define it. So ISO does not exist, and none of our key bindings and keyboard shortcuts and aliases, I mean, it's Carli, right? It's basic Arch, and we made it look a bit nicer, because otherwise it would be a black screen. So there is nothing really. etc. What can we have? No, LSB release maybe. So it's an ArcoLinux, but it says in the description Carli, at least, so you know that's where it's coming from. Now what we need is a VirtualBox. What we need is install VirtualBox LTS hardened Zen. That's that one that I need. So open in terminal. This is GNOME terminal by default. Little Pacman. Wow, what am I doing? Install VirtualBox for Linux, and then you type all the choices. So I need to type a dot, and that's the one I want, because I want the Linux kernel one. I always do it like this. It's going to grab everything that I need. So Linux headers was not yet installed. Good, we need it. On ArcoLinux is default. On here it's very basic Arch, right? So we have to think about everything, and this is why we need it. It's gonna build version, and whether you change it to Zen or hardened later, it's there. The hardened, the headers are there, so it's gonna be working. Now the thing is, I have to reboot, right? You have to reboot. Why? I don't know, VirtualBox. You have to reboot. So the video is gonna be cut in two. The thing is, I have already downloaded the Linux Mint. You saw the page there. Downloaded from France, I believe I took. And we're gonna see how it looks, what wallpapers, what icon, what theme, and try to maybe also look at some apps. But I'm not gonna go on Carli. This is just the rising afterwards that you could do. I like it the way it is, but it's just a what if that's in my brain, and I need to do it. All right. So let's boot up. Let's put VirtualBox. Take our template there, create a template, and then install Linux Mint and have a look. Names and all that. Is it available on March? All right. See you after rebooting.